Hey howdy hey, how is everybody doing, and welcome back to Disney Daily. I wanted to make a very quick video and announce to you guys, if you haven't heard already, that Disneyland Resort will be reopening officially on July 17th, and the downtown Disney area will be opening up July 9th. Now, as excited as we all are and eager to grab our favorite Mickey ears, there will be a new set of rules and regulations as we try to navigate a new world with COVID-19. In order to comply with new government requirements and regulations, Disneyland will be limiting the amount of guests inside the parks. I have mentioned this in a previous video, but if you haven't listened to that video, essentially Disney guests, including annual pass holders, will have to secure a reservation before entering the parks. Those reservations for the parks will be subject to availability. Now, there are no further details on how the new park reservation system will operate. However, my guess is this will be available through the app as we get closer to the reopening. It is important to note that there will be no new ticket sales or annual pass sales or renewals as of now, obviously to help with limiting the amount of guests. As far as the experience inside the park goes, what we know is large gatherings for parades and fireworks are suspended until further notice. Additionally, meet and greets with characters will not be returning to normal, but Disney has said there will be new, innovative ways for you to still see your favorite Disney characters. Now, that is all the information I have read as of now, but I will keep you all updated as we get more news about Disneyland's reopening strategies. As always, thanks for being my guest here at Disney Daily. Until next time.